Hey there, Cassandra. Thank you for reaching out on Facebook. I know it was a couple of weeks ago, but my wife put up a post about that we had extra time, so we would make you a video, and it's really a free website audit. And we usually charge about $500 for this, but let's stop wasting time and get right to it. I'm gonna give you guys 3 tips today that you can implement onto your website that'll help you start bringing in more clients organically. That way you stop paying for Yelp. Okay, so let's first thing guys is you have a nice website. Unfortunately, Google don't care about that. What Google cares about is everything that's highlighted here. Everything in the blue. So, everything in the blue must have keywords. What a keyword is the word that somebody types in Google when looking for your services. So, foundation uh, Boston, right? Foundation Boston, Boston foundation repair. Those are 2 different keywords. Now see this image here? It's saved under nothing, right? Bunch of numbers and letters. What you want to do is save it under a keyword. So when Google crawls your website, then it reads keywords and you can start ranking for them. Okay? So do that with all your pictures and add about 1,000 words on your front page, just so you can start putting some more keywords in there. As you can see, this is a tool that I use called Ahrefs, ahrefs.com. You can use it yourself to look at your stats and look at your competitor stats. And the cool thing about this tool is I can go into your organic keywords that you're being found for and see which ones they are. I can also look at your competitors. I'm sure you're familiar with Ramjack and Atlas Systems, but looks like Ramjack is the big dog in your area. They have 232 words that they're being found for, and these guys have 72. You guys have 71. Let's check them out. So let's put them in position from bottom. Okay, so you're not really being found unless they're looking for your word, your exact name, because uh, from positions 1 through 10, they're in the first page. Positions 11 through 20, they're on the second page. And looks like you're in the second. You start in the second page. And as you know, nobody really makes it to the second page on Google. We all click on something on the front page. So let's check out your competitors here. This is Ramjack's words. So as you can see, they're first position, first position, first position, second position, still first place or first page. Chimney Foundations, Foundation Repair, Massachusetts. Foundation Repair, Massachusetts spelled out. These are 2 different keywords, totally different. Stonewall Foundation Repair, still first page, first page, first page, first page. Okay, so this is why these guys are getting all the jobs. Very important, guys. And look at how many. Let's go back there. Look at how many people are searching it. 100 searches a month, 40 searches a month, 40 searches a month, 100 searches a month, 70, 100, 40, 20. For each one of these words, 300 searches a month. Stone foundation repair. You want to get that word on your website. You want to get found for that. 400 searches a month. But these guys, they're in the second page for that one. So if I was you guys, I'd be fighting for that word. So that was just a little example on the keywords and why they're so important, guys. Get that on your website. Get 1,000 words on your front page. Fill it with keywords. Second point I want to give you guys. Second tip: backlinks. What a backlink is a link on somebody else's website that points back to yours. And you want backlinks on powerful websites so that it can pass down power to your website. And if you have your backlinks on weak or spammy websites, then it'll bring your score down. Okay, so that's the second one I wanted to give you guys. And the third tip I want to give you is how to rank here on the map pack. And I'm not sure if this is you guys, Foundation Crack Repair, uh, because they all sound so similar. New England Foundation Repair, New England Foundation Crack Repair. Okay, so if it's not, or if it is, and you get knocked off, get citations. What a citation is how many times you're listed on an online directory such as Yelp.com or YellowPages.com, and you'll get back on here Try to beat out your competitors by like 20 or 30 citations, and that should be good. So those are the 3 tips that will immensely help your website. So these are things you can implement yourself. If you guys need any help, my name is Jose, and you can reach out to me at 806-268-7118.